pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a...
Hi, it's Jherminee and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be showing you my nails. So if you haven't known already, I love to try on new press-on nails. And these are the Impress press-on nails, and I'm basically just going to do a quick 7 days quick. I'm basically gonna do like a little review, 7-day review on these nails and if they're gonna last long. So when you buy, you know what to do or what not to do, or basically if you should buy them or not. These are the Impress Bare But Better line, and the reason why they're called Bare But Better, this line basically have a lot of nudes to it. You don't have to worry about putting glue on them. You don't have to worry about them drying. They literally have a sticky film underneath, which when you apply them, you just pull the it's like a plastic piece off and you just stick them on. And the first time I bought these, I literally bought these on accident, and I was like, hey, let me try these again, just because I was like, I want to actually see if it's gonna last 7 days. So I'm here to show you that these might last 7 days. We don't know, and I can't wait to show you. Without further ado, let's get into this video.
Okay, let's start with the prepping. So this is what it looks like inside the box. First, I like to let my cuticles soak so they're a lot easier to manipulate. When it comes to manipulating your cuticles, you want them to be really soft and moist, and also really easy to push back. Pushing back your cuticles doesn't have to hurt. Again, when it comes to basically soaking them, it makes it so much easier. And then when you get like a really soft tip cuticle pusher, it works. And then after that, you want to go by clipping your nails down, not too low, but just enough. And this is my secret weapon when it comes to grinding down my nails. So it doesn't hurt if you put it at the lowest speed, and then it does literally what the real nail salon one do. And it doesn't hurt, and I just love the way it helps when it comes to sticking on my nails. I'll give you an alcohol pad so you can wipe down your nails from any oil or debris that will cause any slippage, which means the nail won't stick on, and it won't last as long as it intended to. And the one thing I do love about these nails is that this padded super adhesive literally sticks, like it literally sucks your nail away. So if you ever try to pull it off on day one, it will legitimately feel like you're trying to pull your whole nail off. And the one thing also I can say as a pro is that you don't have to let it dry. There's no dry time, just press and go, and there's no damage to the natural nails, which I feel like my other press-ons is the same way. Press-ons and generally save the damage on your nails. And this is my first hand right here. This is actually my left hand. The nail is still intact, all of them, and this is this is the right one on day number 2 I'm in. And my pinky fell off. So there's two hypotheses that I'm thinking, and it's because I think it wasn't pressed on firmly, or when I washed the dishes, and I washed the dishes yesterday and it loosened up the glue. So my tip is to wear gloves, like dishwashing gloves, if you want them to last 7 days, or at least up to 2 days, because we're not up to 7 yet. So this is what it looked like, and I think I might put on this one just so I can stop walking around looking stupid, but I just wanted to show you guys that one did fall off. So it could be 2 reasons. Day 5. So this is day 5. No, day 4. So yesterday was day 3. I literally said it was day 5. Day 4 when it was day 3. I don't know what's going on with me. But I'm at ATB right now waiting for my pickup, because I'm doing curbside pickup for my groceries today. I don't feel like getting out the car, but this nail feel like it's getting a little weak. I don't know. I feel like if I push on it hard enough, it will probably pop off. Excuse the little white marks. I actually have like acne on my face, so I'm trying to like prevent that. It is heated in my car. But yeah, this is day 4 because Friday is 5. And actually they're sticking on. I'm going to be giving up an update on the afternoon to see if anything fell off or if I still have all my nails on. So they're all still on tonight, this morning. They're all on. And I know I look so weird. Anyway, so yeah. So we made it to day 7, and yes, I lost 2 on one hand, and I lost, I want to say 1, which is a thumb on the other hand. So made it to 7 days, and this is what I feel.
I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. So, do I think it's worth the money? So at Walmart, they sell them for like $6.12, and honestly, I just found out, I want to say a couple of, like, probably like last week, that they come in petite, which probably will fit my nails a little better because your girl's got tiny fingers. So I figured out the problem. The problem was that I added too much oil and I didn't dry it or let it dry. So when I put the press on my nail, it was trying to stick to wet, like wetness. And honestly, that will mess up your manicure or your press on nails, period, is wet. So these, I noticed, if you get them wet, like if you're doing like dishes or anything, they will get really loose, and yeah, they'll potentially fall off. So what I did was put on dishwashing gloves, and it lasts longer. You know, if you only gonna wear them for a day, that's okay, that's fine. But if you actually want to get these things and wear them for their due time, I will buy some dishwashing gloves and use those when I have to wash dishes. You're probably saying, what about taking a shower? You gotta take a shower. So I honestly would say don't get your hands wet too much. If you can protect your hands while you're washing dishes, I will do so. If you're trying to make them, you know, do what they're supposed to do, which is last 7 days. And honestly, my heart still goes to the glue method of press on nails because I'm honestly about to do that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or tomorrow, but my heart still go out to that. But if you want a quick fix, like you're going on a vacation or whatever like that, and you don't have any ways to get your nails done or whatever, like this will be honestly my last resort. Or if I'm too lazy to do glue, like I said, this will be my last resort, and I will honestly buy 2 boxes next time just so you can have more backup. And if you have any more, like if y'all know any more press-on companies, leave them in a comment, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and give me a thumbs up, you know. And also, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your glitter.